we're here on the majestic Ruby Princess. We're here in Seattle. It's a beautiful, warm, sunny day, and this ship is about ready to set sail to Alaska. And I'm going to show you what's in store on your next Princess cruise. So come on, let's travel with me. I'm Dan Barry, and this is Travel with SafeWest.